What's going on, guys? Back to you again with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing another album review since I haven't done a lot in quite a long time. And yes, I am wearing a Cheech and Chong shirt, and no, I do not smoke weed. But this album, I decided to review since this particular artist came out with a new album. That's Wiz Khalifa Rolling Papers. He recently dropped Rolling Papers 2, so I have not yet listened to that, so I won't be reviewing that, but I decided to be reviewing this first. And this one is his third album, the first one being Show Improve, and second being Deal or No Deal. This one being Rolling Papers is his third, but the first two are not like on the mainstream level. This album is his first debut on the mainstream level. He was signed to Atlantic Recording, and this album came back. This album came out in 2011. This album brought back a lot of memories for me, because back when I was in 6th grade, I was introduced to him by people that were in my class and everything. People were just like talking all about it. So let's get to it. First track is When I'm Gone. It's a very good song. It's pretty much about him saying that he has like all this money and that he wants to like use it all, like, cause he won't be able to use it, like when he's gone. And it's a good song. It's definitely a good listen. I recommend listening to it if you haven't listened to that song already. The second one is On My Level featuring Too Short, one of the singles off this album. Great song on this album. On My Level's pretty much talking about drinking all night and smoking pot and everything. It's very lyrical, and like I like the mellow beat too. It's really nice. And of course, Too Short, one of the greatest West Coast hip hop artists of all time. If you're from Oakland, then you will most likely know who he is. Number 3 is Black and Yellow. Now this one, very great memories. This is the first song I actually heard from him. People were talking about like only that song, like when he first came out. And this is another single off the album. And Black and Yellow is just my favorite Wiz Khalifa song, period. And I think it's his best song, period, as well. And it's pretty much just like about him talking about like Black and Yellow and whole bunch of other cool stuff. It's a really nice song. Number 4 is Roll Up. It's a very good one too. Another single off this album here, and it's another good one. Him pretty much just like talking about how he like rolls up and everything like that. It's a very nice song. Very nice music video too. Black and Yellow and On My Level, very good music videos too. Definitely check them out if you're interested. Hopes and Dreams is track 5. It's another good one. It's pretty much like talking about his hopes and dreams. And number 6 is called Wake Up. Very good track as well. Number 7, The Race, another single off this album. It's a very nice song. Star of the Show featuring Chevy Woods. It's another good one right here. And pretty much talking about him being like the star of the show, I believe. And No Sleep, very good one too, another single. Him pretty much like talking about drinking and smoking all night long and partying. That's a very nice one too. Very nice music video too. And number 10, I usually don't swear on this channel. I mean, I used to, but I will say a bad word in this video only because of the song and album purposes, review purposes, if you will. But number 10 is called Get Your Shit, and it's a very good one too. It's him pretty much like talking about him used to go out with this dating this girl, and how that she was like being childish and everything. He's pretty much like telling her to like get out of his life, and it's a very good one too, and I can relate to that. I'm pretty sure a lot of people can relate to that song. Top Floor, track 11. It's another pretty good one. Fly Solo, very good one too. Rooftops featuring Currency, another good one. And then track 14 is Cameras, and that's the last track, and it's pretty good outro to the album. and it was produced by, well, the executive producer is Benji Grinberg. I think that's how you say it. And yeah, so all in all, it's a classic album. I like the cover too, and here's the side of it, and here's the back. It's him smoking a joint in the front, and then I'll show you the CD itself. Hold on. It comes with a booklet as well. And this is also, this album also has a iTunes bonus track called Taylor Gang. It's another good one too. He's talked about it like a little bit on this album, I believe. And yeah, it's a very good song as well, Taylor Gang. You can get that if you download this off of iTunes. It's a deluxe version. This right here is only like standard one. I got this at FYE a couple years ago, and I don't regret having it or buying it, to be honest with you. It's my favorite Wiz Khalifa album. Definitely check him out. He's a very, very good rapper. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about Wiz Khalifa Rolling Papers. And thank you for checking out my reviews and all that good stuff. Appreciate all the new subs. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.